The fighting is like a men's work.
Yeah.
Most of the people there are guys like, if there are some girls that are selling cigarettes, candy, and then water, but they are not playing the cockfighting. Hey, what's that? Is it money?
That was hers. Yeah.
Pera yun? No, you give it to the driver. That one's like transportation.
I thought it was a tip jar like in some restaurants.
No. Usually, it's like transportation. Kuya, bayad. Nilagay sa basurahan.
That was a tip jar like in
Sorry,
some
guys.
restaurants. She just made money.
You now learn.
Okay.
Kuya, anin po, sabungan lang. Anin lang po sa
This,
like this.
this time I know what to do. Just throw it in there. It makes sense.
I thought that one is like a garbage.
Try not to distract the driver, you know? Safety.
Kuya, bayad po. Please give it to me. Ang 50. This one is our change. Yeah, there's for example, this jeepney you cannot do another route on this route. There's always signboard. For example, if you want to go somewhere, you need to know where you're going. Because if you don't know where you're going, you lose better in the jeepney.
Yeah.